The Art of Resume, and today I'll be going over your fonts. Now, the fonts on your template can be changed to anything that you would like, and to any style, size, anything. The headers, the titles, the body. Now, the first thing you'll need to know is the basics. What you'll need to do is select the area of the font. If you want a specific part, you can highlight, but let's just select the full text box for now. And you can go here under your home menu. You can go to this arrow and you can see the previews of the fonts that Word has. And you can select anyone that you would like. Here you can select the size. You can also put it in manually if you want a little bit bigger. You can bold or italics, underline, and here's your color option right here. If you'd like to go into more details, you can select here. And you have options along the top here where you can add your hex number if it's very specific, or you can go to this circle and then adjust it just slightly here and hit OK. Next, you might want to go into even more detail. This includes kerning, which is the spacing between the letters. You'll have to hit Command D on your Mac or Control D on your PC. A window will open and here you can see your font. Here again you can change different aspects of your font, like the color. We'll go with green. Again, the font type. And then when you go to your advanced button on the right, you can, under spacing, you can adjust your kerning. So say we'll want to get rid of the kerning and then hit OK. And that is how you adjust your fonts on your template.